mundo ko ay naging masaya. Salamat sa Diyos, nakilala kita. Ang buhay ko'y nag-iba, kumaan talaga.
Welcome to Ball Family YouTube channel, and if you are new in our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell
to update our new videos, and do like and comment below to let us know how we doing, how you like our videos, and don't forget to share.
Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you.
Welcome to our channel, Bold Family. Moments later.
For the ingredients, we need spaghetti sauce, sweet Filipino style, 2 bottles of ragu mushroom, spaghetti sauce, spaghetti noodles, shredded cheddar cheese, evaporated milk, condensed milk, butter, ground beef, one large carrot, garlic and onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 pack of desired hot dog, fish sauce, oregano, black pepper, salt. So let's start.
A few moments later.
Let's cook the noodles according to the instructions on the package. Just add oil and salt to the water and add the noodles when the water started to boil.
12 seconds later.
Just stir the noodles once in a while to prevent it from scorching at the bottom.
One eternity later.
The noodles is cooked, just rinse it with cold water to stop the process of cooking. Then let it drain and set aside. So let's cook the bechamel sauce by combining the cheese, the milk, and the butter in low fire, and keep stirring until everything is well incorporated. For the exact measurements of the ingredients, please check the details below the video. This is how I cut the hot dogs. And for the vegetables, I'm using a food processor to mince them, so I cut them into cubes. But if you don't have a food processor, you can just mince it manually. So everything's prepared. Let's start cooking our spaghetti sauce.
Many tic-tacs later.
Let's add oil and the ground beef and season with salt, pepper, and oregano powder. And stir it once in a while until it's brown.
Later. $346 later.
When the ground beef is brown, let's add our hot dogs and our minced vegetables. The garlic and onion is included with the minced vegetables. And stir until well combined. Then let's pour in our spaghetti sauce, the Filipino style, and our mushroom spaghetti sauce. And stir it so to prevent it from scorching at the bottom. And lower your fire. So cover it and simmer for 20 minutes. And along the way, you can season it with the fish sauce according to your taste. And when it started to boil, you can add a little bit of the cream. And 1/4 cup of condensed milk instead of the sugar. And just stir it until it's well combined. Make sure your fire is low to avoid from scorching. We have different versions of Filipino style spaghetti, but this one is on the creamier side and well requested of my friends and family. So give it a try. So when it's done, you can assemble it by adding the noodles.
Oh my God! Wow!
The spaghetti sauce and the bechamel sauce on the top. Sana all.
Thank you for watching. Drop please everyone. A law novel blogger and videographer. Love both editor and organizer. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, Whole Family.